Hi, this is Jero. Welcome to my channel. I want to share with you my first experience to book a room through AIRBNB. So AIRBNB is short for Air, Beds, and Breakfast. If you're a traveler and want to visit a city in a certain country, AIRBNB will help you to book a room or an apartment easily. You have many choices, but there are pros and cons. So you must check first the reviews of some travelers who have an experience staying to the place you are going to reserve. And if you're interested to book through Airbnb, I put the website on the link on my description box down below. Okay, so to those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to give me a like. Okay, so a week before my travel schedule to Seoul, I've come up to reserve at Aroha Guest House. It's a bit cheaper compared to other rooms, and they have a positive reviews from most travelers who have been there, and it only takes 3 minutes to walk away from Seoul Station. Okay, I'll show you the amenities they provided for a price of $49. For just a one night of stay, but the price, it depends on how long you will stay. The longer you will stay, they'll give you discount. So here is our Airbnb room. Just keep on watching. Watch this.
Just press this button and push the door. You can open the door easily.
Okay, push the button.
You change your shoes here.
Oh, okay. So change. I'm going to change. And then?
Let me show the facilities. This is the kitchen and the living room. So when
There.
So we also serve the breakfast between 7 to 11. So when you want to have the breakfast tomorrow morning, so please enjoy the breakfast. And then
okay.
And then when you have to eat something, please have a eat in the living room, please, not in the room.
Okay.
And as you see the bathroom, we have the common bathroom. The first floor has 2, second floor has 1, the third floor has 2. So total is 5 bathrooms.
Okay.
So you can use any one.
So
not only the first floor one.
Okay.
You can take tower. Please take tower 1 or 2, because of the other guests to use the towers. And when you check out tomorrow, please use tower into this basket, please.
Okay, we have to put it there.
Yep. And this is your room.
Okay, so this is our room.
Yeah. And
Okay.
And the Wi-Fi
Where is the
is
password?
IP time, no password.
No password. Okay.
And then, as you see, like this, and when you check out tomorrow by 11 a.m.,
Yes.
just put the key in the door now. You don't need to inform me.
Okay.
And then when you lock the door, just push the button. It's an easy way, because some people, they broke the key to use the key to lock the door. So this is an easy way. And okay, so do you have any question?
Nine.
Good. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sarado mo pinto.
Ang taas pala.
Cute niya.
Ay, ganun. Mga bata dito, mga ganun ano sa tayo.
Ang taas.
Dahil masakit na yung mga paan.
Ito pala siya. Di ba tinanong ko siya, sabi niya,
Serve sila ng food.
oo nga, hindi
Ito
natin.
meron dito.
Meron pala silang ano. Ito pala may gatas eh.
Ay, Rachel. Ano yan, libre?
Siguro. May mga pangalan naman yung iba eh. Siguro libre. So,
Ilalagay ko na dito. Pwede ka pala magpabili ng ganito. Naka-tetra.
Hindi ko rin alam. Ngayon ko lang din nakita yan. So, magpe-prepare kami ng breakfast.
Di ba mas mura pagka naka-tetra?
Sariling breakfast. Kami nag-prepare. Ay, kape pala, no? Wala pa yung kape natin. Ito ang breakfast namin.
Hanggang natin ito.
Coffee, cereal, and ito. So, dito kami sa dining room. Living room.
Ito yung room na inanuhan natin. Yan. May aircon. Carry na. So, yan. May free na